Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you a problem with the TPMS. This is the tire pressure system, monitor system. And this one, guys, is a Hyundai Elantra, but it will be almost identical for all vehicles. If you have the light on all the time, it means you have a flat tire. But if you see your light blinking, okay, let me start the vehicle, and you'll notice the light is blinking for about 1 minute. Okay, it means that you have a malfunction in the system. If it's steady on, okay, if it's not blinking, it means you have a flat tire, right? But if it's blinking like that and then it stays on, it means you have a problem in the system, and we're going to diagnose today and see how to fix that. Okay guys, you need to find your OBD connection. In our case it's right here. Most of the times it's under the dash on the driver's side. We're going to connect our OBD scanner, okay, MaxiSys, right here, and we're going to go to the tablet now and see what the problem is. But before we do that, okay, we need to make sure that we have the ignition key on. Okay, so let's do that. Perfect. Next we're gonna go to diagnostics here. Okay, and we'll try to auto detect. This one reads the VIN number on its own and detects the vehicle. If it doesn't work, you have to manually put the VIN number or select the vehicle yourself. Okay, in our case it worked fine. We confirm everything's good. Okay, it is a 2013 Elantra. We're going to go to diagnostics here. Okay, next we'll select the control unit. Auto scan will scan the whole car. We don't need to do that right now. Okay, and you can see the TPMS, tire pressure monitor system. Let's click on this one and see if it's going to tell us what's wrong with it. Stay with us. If it doesn't, I'll tell you most likely what the problem is. Okay, let's read the codes now. Okay, you can see right front source scanner, internal vehicle, right here, and sensor 3 radio frequency channel failure. Okay, sensor 3 means that most likely, guys, most likely this one right here, a weak battery inside the tire pressure sensor. When you remove the wheel, okay, this is the TPMS sensor, but it's a big black thing behind it, and there is a battery. Those batteries usually go bad sometimes, so if you replace the battery, usually that fixes the problem. Okay guys, and one thing, if it's a battery in the sensor, you notice that in warm temperature it might work for an hour and then quit, because the battery gets a little bit of charge. We replaced our batteries on all 4 of them. Okay, and let me show you now, guys. Okay, if you go with that scanner right here, live data, okay, you can check actually all the values here. Okay, normal data right here. Okay, check it out now. That's the sensor 1. Okay, that's the pressure in it, that's the temperature in the tire. Battery level normal. You can even see that. Sensor 2, battery level normal. Sensor 3 now, we have battery level normal as well. And sensor 4, same thing. You can see that one of the tires is higher temperature, that's because it's in the sun. That's normal. Okay. Okay guys, with new batteries now, and we deleted the codes. Okay, we're going to start the car. You can see the light should illuminate for a second and go away. Perfect. So that's how we fix that problem, guys. Pretty simple. If you have the right equipment, it's really easy. That MaxiSys, nothing sponsored here, but that's what we've been using. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.